Hey guys, so today I'm going to be taking you through editing one of my listings on Etsy. This is a pregnancy reveal or announcement. It's a digital file. You can completely customize the text yourself. As you can see, I have about 8 different listings right now. I am going to take you through beginning to end pretty much of how you can edit and use your file. So through the listing, you can see that I have the fonts listed, step-by-step instructions, and that it is a digital file. Now in the description, you can go to the demo link, copy it, and paste it. You can do this before you purchase, just so you can see what it would look like, what different fonts there are, how it all looks pieced together. So you're going to go ahead and copy and paste that into your browser. And Corjl does work best on Google Chrome, so that's what I am using. As you can see that this is the demo. It has the demo overlay. Obviously, once you purchase, it won't have that. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit so I can see better. And it's as easy as just clicking the text, and you can change it. Like right now, I'm going to change Baby Smith to Baby Williams. You can play around with the fonts. I'm going to do the same thing with the date. You can change it to your due date. And again, you don't even have to keep the same formatting. You can put the date on the second line, whatever you like. You can change the sizing if you want it a little bigger, a little smaller. And lastly, if you wanted to get rid of that heart, you can just go ahead and delete it. If you want to undo that, you can just click undo. And that's about it. So remember that this is just the demo link. If you purchase, you won't have the demo overlay, and you will be able to download it and distribute it digitally. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget you can find me on all social media platforms at McPick Design.